Let's go to Elizabeth Howell with space.com.
Hello, everybody. Thanks so much for taking my call. I just was wondering if you'd had some conversations with SpaceX concerning some of that transport damage that was happening on the first stage, the booster, and the changes to the spacecraft.
Absolutely. We have some very transparent conversations with them all the time. In fact, just before this was the mission briefing with all of leadership, and they talked very openly of the modifications, some challenges that they've had, the fixes, and the testing campaign. Everybody is certainly on the same page that the hardware needs to be reliable and it needs to be safe. And we have full confidence that NASA and SpaceX and the international partners are not going to put us on a rocket or a spacecraft that they feel is not ready to go. So it's very refreshing. In fact, this open communication that we have, nothing's hidden, everything's in the open, and it's nice to understand exactly what the situation is. So we feel very confident.